Welcome to lecture series on data structures. So, let us start this lecture series with an introduction to what a data structure is all about. So, what do you infer from this image? If you see the image, what do you infer from this image? Look at the first image where the desktop screen is displayed. This desktop screen contains multiple files and folders present. Similarly, see the second image. Again, there is one particular folder called it should be downloads, and inside it there are again multiple folders. So these two images are with respect to the computer. Now look at the images below. So first image is a cupboard where the clothes are merely dumped inside. So we have not folded the clothes and neatly placed in the shelf. Instead, we have dumped the clothes inside the cupboard. Second figure where again this is also a cupboard. Here the cloths are neatly hanged on and it is folded and it is neatly placed on the shelves. Look at the third image where the pile of books, they are not piled one above the other. Instead they are thrown as heap of books, right? Whereas if you see the fourth image, the books are organized in order inside the shelves. So now just look at the bottom four images alone. What do you think about the first image and the third image? Are those images show an organized way of arranging things? If you look at the first image where the cloths are dumped inside the cupboard, do you think the cloths are organized inside the cupboard? No. Again, if you look at the third image, are those books organized? Again, the answer is no. So, why am I talking about organization here? If I want to, let me assume, if I want to fetch a red color shirt or a green color shirt uh, from the dumped cloths in the cupboard in the first image, would I be able to recover it in an easier way, or would I be able to recover it in minimal amount of time? Answer is absolutely no, because didn't even know where the green color shirt or the green color pant is present inside the cupboard, since all the cloths are thrown as garbage. They are not in an organized way. We have not arranged them. So it is very difficult to fetch the particular cloth, which is the green color pant or the green color shirt I am looking for. On the other hand, if I look into the second image, there, if I want to retrieve a pink color towel or pink color t-shirt, would I be able to get it easier? Yes. So merely looking at the image itself, we can tell the pink color shirts are hanged on. So here, the cloths or the shirts or the pants or the trousers, they are arranged. So it is much easier for me to retrieve them. Similarly, if you look at the third and fourth image, if I'm searching for a particular book, uh, which image do you think it is easier to get the book from? Can I get the book easier from the third image? No. There are heap of books. The books are merely thrown. They are not arranged. So it is very difficult to retrieve a particular book from the third image. On the other hand, if I want to retrieve the book from the fourth image, is it easier? Yes, because I have neatly arranged the books in the shelves. So if I want to retrieve a book from the fourth image, it is much easier and it will be retrieved in minimal amount of time. So if we take the data, if I take the cloth and if I take the books as data, in the second and fourth image, this particular data is organized in a particular manner or it is arranged in a particular manner. If I look into the second image, this particular data, which is the cloth, is arranged one above the other, whereas in the third image, it is arranged, in the fourth image, it is arranged one after the other. So, when this particular data is arranged or it is organized, it is easier to retrieve the data compared to the unorganized data. So, if the data is organized, it is very easy to retrieve. The retrieval process would be easier. Yes? Now, let us move on to the next slide. Now look into this data. So here, just look at the second image, ABC hardware cache book image is displayed here. So here the particulars of debit and credit transaction is displayed for each particular date. If this date is random, if it is not in organized manner, for example, 31 March 2013 comes first, And then comes 8th March 2013. If you look at, you can observe here the dates are not arranged, they are not organized. Yes. So first, they're not in order. So January, the same. No, it is in order. Sorry. So if it is not in order, so for the month of March, they have displayed, right? So from the day 1 to day 31, they have displayed the credit and transaction, debit transaction details. So if I'm displaying like first comes the date 7, then comes date 4, then comes date 31, then comes date 25. Will it be correct? Will it be easy to obtain the will it be easy to obtain the exact information I'm looking for? So the answer is again no. So a data structure, what is data structure is all about is, it is a logical or mathematical order of model of particular organization of data. So if I take the clothes, it is arranged one above the other. If I take the books, it is arranged one after the other. So it depicts the model of particular way of organizing data. So the way of organizing the data may differ. So here are the 4 things. One is organization of data. Second one is the accessing methods. Third one is degree of associativity and processing alternative for association of information. All these things are associated with data structures. So this data structure is classified into 2 types. One is primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure. So this types we will see in the next video. So I hope you understand what a data structure is about. Let me tell you one more example. Take a pile of coins, take a pile of books. So if I arrange the books one above the other, we will ask students to submit the classwork notebooks. So if they are submitting the notebook in register number wise, it is easier to uh, take the uh, take the particular classwork note in a much easier way. So we will ask students to submit it one above the other. So that is a example, perfect example for data structure. So take coins. How do we place the coins? If it is simply put it inside a box, is it easier to fetch the coin? No. Yes. So these are the various examples for data structures. So in the next video, we will discuss about the types of data structures. Hope you understood this session. So keep watching.